We have a 2006 Impala LT. Engine has a misfire. Trying to diagnose it, can't figure out why. Misfire clears up once you give it throttle. Check engine codes are P0010 and P0306 for engine misfire. The engine has 162,000 miles. And there goes the misfire again. As you can see, the motor is rocking. This is my oil. I don't know if it's too much.